Stanley, and this video is for the Biomechanics 231 Biomimicry final. In this video I will be conducting a compression stress test to two different structures. Structure A, which is an average light frame one-story building structure, and Structure B, which is a building design that incorporates the design and use of bird skulls and bird bones. To conduct this test, I will be applying mass or weight in the form of textbooks to the tops of both structures. The structure that can sustain more weight is the more viable building design. I will wait for the structures to fail, then weigh the masses or textbooks on a scale. Here is the aftermath of the compression stress test on Structure A. And here is the weight or mass on the scale, and it sustained 15 pounds. This is Structure B after the compression stress test, and you can see where it failed. And then here are the books on the scale, and it sustained 21 to 22 pounds. And this is Structure A and Structure B after the test.